The RV-12 is an easy airplane to underestimate. It's so small, so toy-like, so comical, it looks like it should carry a Fisher-Price label. But take a closer look, and you'll see that the RV-12 is one of the best tools ever for turning pedestrians into pilots.
It's honestly a fun airplane to instruct in. It makes it really easy on both the student and the instructor. Vans has done everything they can to really simplify the systems and the operation and the handling of the aircraft, and it really makes it a lot of fun.
And recent FAA rule changes have vastly expanded the RV-12's training role to include private pilot and advanced ratings.
Our RV-12s are actually the only technically advanced aircraft in our fleet that meet the definitions for commercial pilot training. So we have trained and certified a commercial pilot who did their check ride in our RV-12s. So yeah, we do sport, private, and commercial training in them.
The RV-12 thrives in these demanding roles for good reasons.
In the flight school environment, it's very cost efficient. It burns only 4 gallons an hour, which is great compared to most of the other planes we fly. And it has been really easy for students to learn how to land. And so I feel like they can rent the airplane for less money an hour, and then they're getting to solo in fewer hours.
From a student's point of view, the RV-12s are modern, surprisingly roomy, thoroughly enjoyable to fly, and they allow students to make rapid progress.
I love the view. I love having low wings. I think my first flight experience was in a 172, and that felt claustrophobic to me versus this actually doesn't.
Sure, the RV-12 is a small airplane, but its outsized role in a broad range of flight training is sure to benefit student pilots and flight schools for many years to come. Dave Hirschman, AOPA Live.